How to install iOS 27 Developer Beta. Hello everyone, I am Bishatha and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Before you begin, make sure that your iPhone is compatible with iOS 27 and make sure that you have a stable working internet connection and sufficient battery life. Now, go ahead and open Settings on your iPhone and then tap on your Apple ID on top. Here, make sure that you are signed in with your Apple account enrolled in Apple's developer program. Now, in Settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update and then tap on the Beta Updates option. Here you will see the option for iOS 27 Developer Beta. Tap on it and you will then be required to go a step back. So go back and then tap on the iOS 27 Developer Beta option there and then download and install. You will then be required to agree to the terms and conditions of iOS 27. So go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions and you will now have to wait for the download and installation to complete. Once it's completed, after your iPhone restarts, follow any on-screen instructions and then check for additional beta updates regularly, as Apple frequently releases bug fixes and improvements. So this was about how you can install iOS 27 Developer Beta. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.